Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, The Wealthy Mindset. It's yours truly, Money Making Mitch. And as usual, guys, this is not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence and research. The company that I want to talk about today is very similar to NIO in the sense that it's a new company. The stock price plummeted, people panicked and sold, and I held on to it. It's a great example of why you should hold on to a company when you believe in it. And the company that I'm talking about is called DiDi Global, DIDI. The best way to explain the company, it is the Uber of China. They actually signed a deal with China. I read this a couple of months ago. A couple of years ago, they signed a deal with Uber to basically like buy out Uber out of China with the agreement that they will not themselves step foot on America. This company, when it first came out, was valued at $80 billion, and today is valued at $14 billion. So the 52-week high is $5.05. Believe it or not, the 52-week low was only 28 cents. Even I was panicking at one point, but I didn't sell my shares. I have 600 shares of this company, by the way, guys. DiDi Global currently has 28.2 million daily transactions in China alone. Total revenue for the first quarter of 2023. And this is why I'm doing this video for you guys, to show you guys why, when you believe in a company, why you should hold. At one point, China banned DiDi from adding any more new users to the platform. This was at the peak of the trade war. They said that DiDi was collecting data illegally. Possibly that was true. And what happened is DiDi paid $1 billion fine, I believe it was. And then China finally allowed them to start accepting users again. But when China banned them from adding new users to the platform, a lot of people panicked and sold their shares. I didn't. I ended up buying more, but my average is still high. I believe my average is $6 something. Right now it's $3. So this is what happened also during the COVID lockdown. This company, of course, wasn't making much money because China is their biggest market, even though they're in a lot of different countries, which I'm going to go into. But because of the lockdown, they were losing money, a lot of money, right? Again, guys, this is a new company. It still isn't, I believe it still isn't a profitable company, just like Uber still isn't profitable. But this is what happened. Total revenue for the first quarter of 2023, this year, were 42.7 billion Chinese yuan or RMB. An increase of 19.1% compared to the same period of 2022. I got this information off their website. I signed up for their free newsletter. So the top shareholders are SoftBank, Tencent Holdings, and Uber, believe it or not. So China, they do business in China, Mexico, Australia, Japan, Brazil, Colombia, Hong Kong, Taiwan, Chile, Costa Rica, Panama, Russia, Peru, Ecuador, Dominican Republic, Egypt, Argentina, and Africa. On average, 156 million users daily. Uber, it's now allowed, China is allowing them to bring new users again to the platform, like I said. And with the lockdowns over, I knew that their revenue will start skyrocketing again. So I believe that their revenue will continue to grow. And by the second quarter and the third quarter of this year, excuse me guys, I expect them to put out better numbers again as they continue to grow worldwide. So I would like you guys to take a look at this company. I'm not saying that you should buy. Keep an eye on it. Normally what I do is I buy one share for a company if I want to keep an eye. Another such company is Teladoc, which I will be doing a video on. Kathy Woods have been buying a lot of shares on them. I really like them. I used them not that long ago. I really like their platform. I think I spoke about that before. They're going to take a large market share away from traditional healthcare. So I hope you guys found this video informational. And again, I like to buy companies when it's down, new companies where I have vision that they'll grow into a monster corporation. I like to ride the wave up like I did with NIO and like I'm still doing. Whereas other people are now buying Tesla, whilst Cathie Woods are selling a lot of shares of Tesla every week. She's not selling all at once. So she's selling like, 10,000, 20,000 shares of Tesla every week and more than that. So whilst the uneducated investor is buying, and I have a buddy like that, he's buying Tesla at the high end. I like catching, if I had caught Tesla at the low end, I would have sold at the high end. And I'm not saying if you own Tesla, you should sell your shares. I'm not saying that at all, guys. What I'm saying is, like DiDi, I'm going to hold it now that it's new and it's at the bottom. And as it continues to grow into a monster company, that's when I'll sell it, when it becomes, and then I can take the money and buy another rental property. I hope you guys found this video informational. If you do, give it a thumbs up, guys. It'll help me, encourage me to keep doing videos for you guys and encourage you to hold or buy more on the dip. If you haven't yet subscribed, you might want to think about doing so. Let's get rich or die trying, guys.